Now we will discuss the low resistivity materials by taking some examples of these materials. First, we will discuss the copper. The symbol of copper is Cu, atomic number is 29. Copper is a metal with reddish color. Its conductivity is higher and cost is low. It possesses the following properties. First, its color is reddish. It is ductile and malleable. Malleable means ability to deform under pressure in nature. It is non-magnetic, means it shows no response to a changing magnetic field. It has low contact resistance. Its resistivity have an approximate value of 1.7 into 10 raised to power minus 8 ohm meters. Its melting point means change from solid to liquid state, is 1083 degrees Celsius. Its boiling point means a state change from liquid to gas, is 2320 degrees Celsius. Its density is about 8.9 gram per cubic centimeter. Next property is its tensile strength is 8.15 to 4.72 tons per centimeter square. Tensile strength of the material is the maximum amount of tensile stress it can take before breaking. It can be soldered and welded, which are necessary to electric wiring. It offers high resistance to corrosion. It forms oxide layer when exposed to atmosphere, which protect it from corrosion. Now the applications of copper: it can be used for making electrical parts, heat exchangers, for making various copper alloys such as brass, bronze, etc., for household utensils. Copper is mainly divided into two forms. First, hard drawn copper. Now the properties of hard drawn copper: it is made by drawing copper bar in cold conditions. It is very hard. Its tensile strength is comparatively very high, having an approximate value of 8.25 tons per centimeter square. Its density is about 8.92 gram per cc. Cc is the cubic centimeter. Being hard, it is less flexible. Its mechanical strength is high. Application: hard drawn copper can be used for the conductors, high voltage underground cables, bus bars, because of its high mechanical strength. Second type is the annealed copper. Properties of annealed copper: it is made by raising the temperature of hard drawn copper to a specific value and then allowed to cool at room temperature. It is soft in nature. Its tensile strength is comparatively low, that is 4.5 tons per centimeter square. Its comparatively density is 8.88 gram per cubic centimeter. Being soft, it is more flexible. Applications: annealed copper is used for the insulated conductors in low voltage cables, winding wires, for electrical machines and transformers, flexible wires, and in making coils. Our second low resistivity material is aluminium. The symbol of the aluminium is Al and the atomic number is 13. It possesses the following electrical, physical, and chemical properties. It is silver white in color. It is ductile and malleable and can be drawn into thin wires. It offers a very high resistance to corrosion due to the oxide layer formed on its surface when exposed to an atmosphere. But aluminium oxide layer had higher resistivity and act as a insulator. Its melting point is 655 degrees Celsius. Its boiling point is 2057 degrees Celsius. It is softer than copper. Its density is 2.70 gram per centimeter cube. Its resistivity is 2.69 microohm meter, that is about 1.6 times higher than copper. It has high contact resistance. It is much lighter than copper for the same mass. Application of aluminium being soft and highly ductile material, it is used for flexible electrical wires. Being light metal, aluminium is used as a conductor for power transmission and distribution. It is also used in overhead transmission lines, bus bars, etc. It is also used as ACSR conductor. The full form of ACSR, aluminium conductor steel reinforced cable. Aluminium conductor steel reinforced cable. Now the next material is steel. The properties of steel: it contains small percentage of carbon, due to which its mechanical properties can be increased. Presence of high carbon contents make it brittle. It is easily corroded when exposed to the moisture. Steel is typically 2.5 times denser than aluminium. Its resistivity is 8 to 9 times higher than of aluminium and copper. Applications: galvanized iron steel wires are used as overhead telephone wires and earth wires. Steel is used as a conductor or traction because of its rigidity and cheapness. Now we will discuss some low resistivity copper alloys. First is the brass. Brass is an alloy of 60% of copper plus 40% of zinc. It possesses the following properties: it has high tensile strength, it have low conductivity than copper, it attains any shape if pressed, it can be easily drawn into wires, it can be easily soldered and welded, it offers fair resistance to corrosion. Its electrical resistivity is about 7.0 into 10 raised to power minus 8 ohm meter. Its melting point is about 890 degrees Celsius. Applications: it is widely used as a current carrying structural material on plug points, switches, sockets, outlets, lamp holders, fuse holders, knife switches, sliding contact for starters and rheostats, etc. Now next material is the bronze. Bronze is reddish yellow in color and it is alloy of copper and tin. 84% of copper and 8% to 16% is the tin. Properties of bronze: it is found in two types, that is cadmium bronze and silicon bronze. Cadmium bronze means when the third element is the cadmium, and silicon bronze when third element is silicon. It has good conductivity but less than copper. It is chemically stable and does not react with the most of the gases and liquids. It is free from corrosion. Its tensile strength is 3 kg per mm square. Application: cadmium bronze is used for conducting commutators and segments. Beryllium bronze, whose mechanical strength is more than cadmium bronze, is used for making knives and switches. Silver. Symbol of silver Ag. Atomic structure is 47. Silver is the top among all the good conductivity materials. It has higher electrical conductivity and corrosion resistance. It have a high value of thermal conductivity. Applications: silver is widely used in making the contact of relays, generator cutouts, thermals, overloads devices. It can be used in making high rupturing devices such as HRC fuses. It may be used for making radio frequency conducting bodies as well as components, leads. Last is the gold. Symbol AU, atomic number 79, application. It is used for making contact of highly sensitive devices and of integrated circuit. Due to its high cost, its use is quite limited.